So hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you how to turn on and off charging animation in Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. So first of all guys, when we plug in the charger, here we have a charging animation. And if you want to disable this animation, all you guys have to do just go to settings. So in this section guys, we have an option of an advanced feature. So just tap here and then again scroll down. Here you have we have an option of a reduce animation. So just tap here and then turn this option on. Now if I plug in the charger again, so we don't have any animation here, but our phone is now start charging. So this is how we can turn off the animation in Galaxy A55 5G. And guys, if you want to turn it on again, so just go to settings, and all you guys have to do just disable this feature so that the reduce animation is now disabled. Now again plug in the charger, and as you guys see, we have the charging animation here. So that's how guys we can turn on and off charging animation in Galaxy A55 5G device. So that is it about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.